Welcome to Hook and Loops. I'm EJ Hart, and this is a Navajo Indian Diamond Hat Part 2. I'm going to change the color by casting on with a single crochet. So I'm just going to form my slip knot. And then I'm just going to insert my hook into the back loop of a single crochet. Pull the yarn through, yarn over, and pull through both loops. And that's casting on with a single crochet, and that's how you can change the colors. I'm going to put another single crochet in the same stitch. And then the next stitch, I'm going to put one single crochet. And the next stitch, I'm going to put one single crochet. Then I'm going to repeat. So 2 single crochet and the next stitch. There's 1, 2, and then 1 single crochet and the next 2 stitches. There's 1 and 2. And I'm going to repeat this all the way around. Now I'm going to slip stitch it into the back loop of the first single crochet that we casted on with. I'm going to change the color again, so I'm going to chain 1 and cut off a long tail to sew in. I'm going to cast on to a single crochet back loop only, and I'm going to put in a single crochet. I'm going to put another single crochet in that same stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. There's 1, 2, and 3, and I want to repeat this all the way around. I'm going to skip the video to the end of this row. Okay, I'm at the end of the row, and I'm just going to slip stitch it into the beginning stitch in the back loop. I'm going to go into the next stitch and put in 2 single crochets in the back loop. Then it's going to be 1 single crochet back loop only into the next 4 stitches. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And repeat this pattern all the way around. I'm going to skip the video to the next row. I'm going to sew in one of the tails, and I'm going to do it the same way I sewed in the top part of the hat. So I'm just going to go through the white stitches. You want to go through the same color. And you'll want to get your needle through the yarn strand. Now I'll go back through the opposite way and try to get it through some of the strands. This will keep it from coming apart in the wash. In the next video, we'll start to crochet the diamonds. Consider subscribing to Hook and Loops. Just click the icon and click subscribe. And thank you for watching.